Hello students, myself Rekha. Today we will do class 10 8th lesson introduction to trigonometry exercise 8.1 7th question. See beta, if cot theta is equal to 7 by 8, evaluate, this is the first question, 1 plus sin theta, 1 minus sin theta, 1 plus cos theta, 1 minus cos theta. Second question, what is there? Cot square theta. Okay, first we will do first question. See here, cot theta is equal to 7 by 8. Okay, first we will write the ratios. What is the ratios? Is there a trick? What is there? Pandit Badri Prasad Har Bole. Okay. Now you keep in your mind this one. This is the sine ratio, cos ratio, tan ratio, next cosec, sec, cot ratio. Okay. Now see here, in this one cot theta. So now we are taking, this is the theta. Okay. Anyone you take A or C, anyone theta. So now I am taking C is the theta. Now what is there? Cot theta. Cot means what? See here, sine, cos, tan, this is reverse cosec, sec, cot. Cot means what? Base by perpendicular. This is theta means this is the base, this is the perpendicular, this is the hypotenuse. Okay, this theta means this is the base, this is the perpendicular, this is the hypotenuse. So cot theta is equal to 7 by 8. Cot means what? B by P, base by perpendicular. Base means what? 7. This value is 7. Okay. Next, perpendicular. Perpendicular, how much is there? 8. So this is the 8. Okay. This is the base. This is the perpendicular. This is the hypotenuse. This you are thinking means this is the base. Base how much is there? 7. Next, perpendicular how much is there? 8 is there. Now we have to find AC value. Okay. So now this formula, first see here. First we will find these all values. Okay. See here. By using Pythagoras theorem. See here, Pythagoras theorem. See here, by using Pythagoras theorem. See here, what is the Pythagoras theorem is there? AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Okay, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. AC don't know. So right here, AC square is equal to AB, how much is there? 8 square. Plus BC, how much is there? 7 square. Okay. Now see here, AC square is equal to 8 square means 64 plus 7 square means 49. So AC square is equal to 9, 10, 13, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 113. AC square is equal to 113. AC is equal to what? 113 root. Now you got AC value is the 113 root. Okay, this value finding is finished. This value is 113 root. Okay, now first question we will do. So first question doing, carefully listen here. First question doing, here what is the formula is there? A plus B into A minus B. Here also A plus B into A minus B. Now you write formula, right? A plus B into A minus B is equal to, what is the formula is there? A square minus B square. So now we will use this formula. A square minus B square. Okay, here also we will use A square minus B square. Here also A square minus B square. First A square means 1 square. 1 square means this first solution I am doing. 1 plus sin theta, 1 minus sin theta. 1 square means 1 only, minus sin square theta. 1 minus sin square theta divided by 1 plus cos theta, 1 minus cos theta. Already A plus B into A minus B. A square minus B square. A means 1 minus cos square theta. Cos square theta. So this two formula using means 1 minus sin square theta. This is also 1 minus cos square theta you will get. Okay. Now see here. We will apply the values. 1 minus, carefully listen. Sin theta means what? This is the theta. Sin means what? Perpendicular by hypotenuse. Perpendicular by hypotenuse. Perpendicular means what? 8. 8 by, what is there? 113 root. Try to understand this question. 1 minus 8 by 113 root. Divided by, carefully listen, this square is there. A square means 1 square means 1 only. 1 minus 8 by 113 root whole square. This value I applied. Next, 1 minus cos means what? Sine over. Cos means what? Base by hypotenuse. Base means what? 7. 7 by 113 root whole square. Okay. Now this one we have applied. Now we will remove the square. 1 minus, try to understand. 8 square means what? 64 by what is there? Root square cancel, you will get 130. Okay. Divided by, this is the main divider. 1 minus 7 square means what? 49 divided by, root square cancel, what you will get? 113 you will get. Okay. Now see here, beta. Now see here. Here nothing means what? 1. So this is the main divider. Okay. This 2 LCM what? 113 is the LCM. Okay. Here you will get 113 minus, here you will get 64. Okay. Divided by, try to understand. Here also nothing means what? 1. This is the main divider. This one we will simplify. 113 LCM how much? 113. Okay. Here you will get, see here you will get 113 minus 49. Okay. See here, in this question, this is the main divide. This one divided by this one. Okay. Now carefully listen. See here, up to this is one step, don't confuse. This is one step. Okay. See here, 113 divided by 64. Okay, 9. See here, 13 minus 4, 9. Here 10 minus 6, 49. 49 divided by 113. Okay. Now see here, this is the main divider. Okay. Next here, what is there? 113 divided minus, sorry, here 64. 64 means 49, correct, divided by 10. 113 minus 49. So here what you will get? 13 minus 9 means 4. 4, here 10 minus 64. 64 divided by 113. Try to understand. This is one step, this is one step. 113 minus 64, you will get 49 divided by 113. Next, this is the main divider. This 2 minus 2 means you will get 64 divided by 113. See here, this is one fraction divided by this is one fraction. Okay. Reverse means here. Now you can cancel this one cancel. What you will get? 49 divided by 64 is the answer. Okay. Not understood means step by step, once again you watch it. Okay. This is one set of solution. Again this is one set of solution. Again this is one set of solution. Final answer, this 113 cancel, you will get 49 by 64 is the answer. This is the first answer. Here we will do second question. What is the second question is there? See, this is very easy. Is there? Cot square theta. This is the second answer. Cot square theta. Cot means what? See here, sine, cos, tan. Tan reverse cot. Base by perpendicular. Base what is there? 7. Base is the 7. Base by perpendicular. Cot means base by perpendicular. Base is the 7. Next, perpendicular what is there? 8 is there. This whole square. Okay, 7 7s are 49 divided by 8 8s are 64. This is the second answer. This is the first answer. Not understood means once again you watch it. Okay. Eighth question. If 3 cot A is equal to 4, whether 1 minus tan square A, 1 plus tan square A is equal to cos square A minus sin square A or not, we have to prove. Okay, carefully listen. First, 3 cot A is equal to 4 given. So, cot A is equal to, we will take 4 by 3. So, A means what? This is the theta. Okay. So, this is theta means this is the base. This is the perpendicular, this is the hypotenuse. Okay. Now see here, cot means what? Sine, cos, tan. So cot means base by perpendicular. Cosec, sec, cot. So base by perpendicular. Base means what? This is the 4. Okay. Base by perpendicular. Perpendicular means what? 4 by 3. So this is the 3. This is the perpendicular, this is the base, this is the hypotenuse. So in this one we don't know the hypotenuse. Now we will find. Okay. Now by using Pythagoras theorem, see Pythagoras theorem. Write it, theorem. Now we are using Pythagoras theorem. What is the Pythagoras theorem? AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. AB square plus BC square. So AC we don't know. Okay. Right here AC square is equal to AB. How much is there? AB is the 4 square plus BC. How much is there? 3 square. Okay. Now you apply AC square is equal to 4 4 is 16 plus 3 3 is 9. So AC square is equal to 16 25. Okay, 25. AC is equal to square sign that side. It's become a root 25 root. So AC is equal to 5. Now you got this answer is 5. Okay. Now you know the all values. 3 values you know. Now you can verify this is right or wrong. First this side we will verify, next we will later we will verify that side. This is right side, this is left side. So now I am verifying left hand side. What is their left hand side? 1 minus tan square A by 1 plus tan square A. Okay. 1 minus tan square A. This is the left side I am verifying. Later we will do right side. Okay. Tan means what? Perpendicular by base. Perpendicular means what? 3. 1 minus, see here. Tan means perpendicular by base. Perpendicular how much is there? 3 by 4. So 1 minus 3 by 4 whole square. 1 minus tan square A finished, divided by 1 plus tan square by. Tan means again same 3 by 4 whole square. Now we will simplify this one. Okay, carefully listen. See here. Confused then means I will do. This is first step. Next 1 minus, we will remove square. Okay, 3 3 is 9 by 4 4 is 16 divided by 1 plus 3 3 is 9 by 4 4 is 16. Okay, this is one step. Here nothing means what? 1. Okay, now we will take LCM. What is the LCM is there? Shall I do here? Here I will do carefully. 1 16. This is main divider. Don't confuse. 1 16 LCM. How much? 16 is the LCM. Okay, here you will get 16 minus 9. This is main divider. Here also LCM how much? 16 is the LCM. Okay, here you will get 16 plus 9. Okay. See, this is one step. This is main divide. Don't confuse. 16 minus 9. How much? 9, 7. 7 by 16. Okay. Divided by, see here, 16, 25. 25 divided by 16. Okay. This is one fraction. This is one fraction. Okay. This is a main divide. So, this 16, this 16 we can cancel. What we will get answer? 7 by 25 is the answer. Which side? Left side. Left hand side you got 7 by 25. Next we will do right hand side. Right hand side what is there? So now we will do right hand side. What is the question is the right hand side? Cos square A minus sin square A. So cos square A minus sin square A. Okay. Cos means what? This is sin cos. Base by hypotenuse. What is the base is there? 4 is the base. Hypotenuse is the 5. So now you will get 4 by 5 whole square minus cos over. Next sine. Sine means a perpendicular by hypotenuse. Perpendicular means what? This is the perpendicular. 3 by 5. 3 by 5 whole square. Okay. Now see here. Cos means a base by hypotenuse. So base by 4 by 5 whole square. Next sine means a perpendicular by hypotenuse. So 3 by 5 whole square. Now square we will remove. 4 4 is 16 by 25 minus 3 3 is 9 by 25. 5 5 is 25. Base same is there. 16 minus 9 how much? 7 by 25. Now you can observe which side? Left side 7 by 25. Right side also you got 7 by 25. Both are equal or not? Yes, both are equal. So now you can write yes, both are equal or not means yes, left hand side or right hand side both are, these two equations are equal.